Today I'm going to quickly show you how to swap over your number plate for your brand new cherished number plate. Now we're at the Carreg headquarters, as you can see, some nice fantastic plates on display. When the customer come in, Ford Ranger, they bought a fantastic little number, as you can see, and we're going to very quickly unscrew the old plate, show you how to do it with the kit that we provided. There we go. Now we recommend to use the pads. We provided them with the plates that you'll receive. You don't want to be damaging, you don't want to be screwing holes in there. They come usually factory fitted with screw holes, you can see here, but you wind up with this water ingress that delaminates and it doesn't look anywhere near as nice as when you first fit it on. You've got a fantastic new plate. Don't ruin it by this if you can avoid it. So I've unscrewed this and I'm going to use the pad system. I've already fitted the pads and I've lined them up where it's going to go here, here and here. It's perfectly adequate, but before you do, really important, you must clean the surface to allow the pads to adhere to the thing. So very quickly, all I've got is a bit of, sometimes you may use a bit of isopropyl alcohol or some other cleaning fluid. Get this really dry. Now you'll see it's leaving, you'll usually get weather marks, but if you can't, maybe leave a little mark where it's going to go there, but I can see exactly where this plate's going to go. So once you've cleaned it, we've let it dry. It's got to be really dry, clean. Now, as you can notice there, I can see where the old plate was, which is great. If not, if you've got a brand new car, I suggest you make it just a little tiny pencil mark, just so you know where it's got to go. But straight away, peel these off, line it up to where the old plate was, which was exactly there. Push hard where the pads were. Now that is the best way to fit your number plate with a drill-free, safe, fantastic looking plate.